Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some really healthy, quick and easy, delicious smoothies recipes that are optimal for weight loss. I drank these smoothies religiously when I was losing weight and I still love them to this day. So the first one is a power green smoothie. It has 330 calories and you're going to need some spinach, you're going to need some kale, a banana, and 1 stalk of chard, and you're also going to need some chia seeds and then some bone broth protein. And I'm going to be putting the protein and the chia seeds in pretty much all of the smoothies in this video, and I love the benefits of both. Chia seeds contain so many nutrients and antioxidants, and this bone broth protein is good for weight loss because it is low in calories, but it is also high in protein, obviously, so that will help boost your metabolism and reduce appetite. And then you're going to just need some almond milk. So I'm going to put some ice. I forgot to mention that I'm going to put ice in this, and then just going to combine all the ingredients in a blender. You can just use any old blender. I've had this blender for years, so it's doing the job well done. This protein is really good because it is vanilla flavored, so it makes the smoothies a little bit extra sweet, so it's so delicious. And I like to add my chia seeds after I mix the smoothie for a little bit because I don't want to mix the chia seeds in too much. So about halfway through blending it, I'll add the chia seeds in. And I have these really cute mason jars that I think are so cute for smoothies. So here's the final result. The next one is a strawberry chia smoothie. This one has 230 calories. You're going to need some frozen strawberries, the protein, the chia seeds, and then almond milk. So we're just going to load up the blender with the frozen strawberries and then add the almond milk. I didn't add enough this time around, so you'll see me add more later. And the strawberries are really thick, so if you need a spoon to mix it up a little bit, go right ahead, add more milk if you want. You can be selective with how much you put in. You can also add bananas to this and make a strawberry banana smoothie. I was thinking about doing that, but I wanted just strawberry, and it is so delicious, especially with the vanilla powder. And then for this one, I put the chia seeds on top, and there you go. The next one is for the peanut butter lovers. This is the peanut butter protein smoothie. This one has a little bit more calories because we're adding a few more ingredients. For this one, I'm going to be using a powdered peanut butter. It's from the brand PB2, which I'll talk about. And then some spinach, a banana, and then the protein and almond milk and chia seeds. So this, if you're not familiar with it, is from this company called PB2, and this is a powdered peanut butter. So basically, it has so much less fat than normal peanut butter. It is a powder, so what you do is you put it in a bowl, and you add water to it, and it turns out into regular peanut butter. And this has way less calories and fat and all that junky stuff in normal peanut butter. I am addicted to peanut butter and I just can't cut it out of my diet, so this is such a great alternative, and it honestly tastes just like peanut butter. There is a little different taste to it, but to me it tastes like peanut butter. So for this, I originally had 2 tablespoons, but then I added 2 more, so a total of 4 tablespoons, and that equals 100 calories. Add the ice, add the almond milk. I put too much spinach, so I'm adding some and then taking some out. And the blending of these flavors are so good. The peanut butter, the banana, the vanilla, it's just so good. I think this one was my most favorite one out of all of them because I am obsessed with peanut butter. And lastly, we have the blueberry smoothie. This one has the least calories out of all of them with 180 because it has the least ingredients. So you're going to need some frozen blueberries, and these are ones that I bought at the store unfrozen, and then I just froze them myself. And then I'm also adding turmeric to this one because I have been loving this spice a lot recently, mostly because I've been having some inflammation problems in my esophagus, and turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, and you'll be surprised how good this tastes with the blueberries. And there you go, that's it. These were honestly so delicious, I'm not even lying. And also a tip is to get, you know, jars like these, because these jars came with lids. So if you don't want to drink these right away, or you want to save them for later in the week, you can just store them in your fridge, put a lid on them, and, you know, just save it for another day, which is what I ended up doing because I couldn't drink these all in one day. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next video.